We are one of the largest electronics retailer in the country. We run over 550 stores across 200 plus cities in the country. The biggest value addition that we make in our business is improving the customer experience and making sure they have a great experience through the life cycle of the business. So for us, it is the core, it is the heart of our business. The way we are thinking about AI is not how AI would help us do things more efficiently. We believe AI will fundamentally change our ways of engaging with the consumer. So when we look at AI within our customer interaction, the only thing we are requesting and we are building for is empathy.
AI has become an enabler and it will continue to become an enabler. Where the phase one, AI has been automation in the last 2 years. Now it is becoming an amplification layer. And I think the future layer where we can see is AI is going to become an engagement layer. So when all three happens, you will see the value of agentic and AI at large.
As we grow and as the customers seamlessly move across channels, it is very important that they are able to be serviced on any channel. This was becoming a very big challenge as we tried to solve multi-channel interactions, multiple kinds of issues, and just the speed at which we wanted to build all of this for the consumer. These were the big things which made us think through that do we want to go ahead with the solution we have, or do we need to now move to a new, very, very modern and agile stack. The biggest thing we looked at from the solution was, are they able to be agile at the pace at which the consumer is moving? If the consumer thinks of something, can I deliver the consumer the experience at pace? And for which do I have the partner who can give it to us at that pace? Honestly, that was the biggest ingoing factor that we selected Kapture for.
Primarily, the stack is built on top of CRM, which is Kapture powering Croma's customer experience to drive through unification. I think that is where Kapture and our data strategy overall has played a significant role, how we look at as a stack. And I think platforms like Kapture, platforms what we use today with Gemini, Claude, Copilot, it enables us to make the right choices, fast track the decisions, and also one of the critical factors is automation. The main advantage is when all of these can start to talk together. When you shop, irrespective of the channel, when you interact, it should be flowing like a natural conversation. I think that's the art of getting the agentic right. And I think that is where we are seeing a lot of good promise from Kapture. I think how the Kapture team is bringing the live chat, some of the FAQs, the Q&A, and also the ability to constantly evolve and work at our pace. I think that has been really good for the team.
The biggest value capture for me, if you ask me, to the organization is the delight that I see on the face of the customer service associate. When I go and visit the stores, the amount of happiness with which they speak about the solution, the ease with which they have adapted to the solution, that for me is the single biggest one.